What if I told you that your current reality, your income, your relationships, your health, is not a result of luck, but a reflection of your thoughts? In this video, we're not just going to talk about the law of attraction. We're going to reveal how it's being used in 2025 by everyday people, CEOs, athletes, and even scientists to unlock massive success. If you've ever tried to change your life and failed, it's not your fault. The missing key is understanding how your mind connects to your external world. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to unlock that power. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because we're going to walk through specific, proven steps to attract wealth, health, and meaningful relationships faster than you ever thought possible. And before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel, comment your country below so we know where you're watching from, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's dive in. The law of attraction is the principle that like attracts like. What you think about consistently, whether positive or negative, shapes your reality. This isn't just a spiritual idea. It's now backed by neuroscience. Your brain has something called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. It filters the information you focus on and actively finds opportunities that match your beliefs and expectations. When you focus on problems, you find more problems. When you focus on solutions, abundance, or growth, you start seeing new opportunities and taking aligned actions that lead to results. Successful people understand this. That's why many of them swear by vision boards, affirmations, and daily visualization. It's not magic, it's mindset. And mindset determines behavior, and behavior determines outcome. Let's start with money, because financial stress is one of the biggest blocks people face. If your inner dialogue sounds like "I'm broke," "I can't afford that," or "money is hard to get," then your subconscious will keep finding ways to validate that belief. But here's the shift. Begin to see money as energy, something that flows to you based on the value you give, the confidence you radiate, and the beliefs you hold. One powerful method is scripting. Every morning, write in a journal as if you've already achieved the financial goals you desire. For example, "I am so grateful now that I'm earning $10,000 a month doing meaningful work that I enjoy." When you repeat this consistently, your brain starts looking for paths to make it real. This can open the door to side hustles, promotions, partnerships, or even completely new income streams. Health and well-being also respond to the law of attraction. Science shows us that positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love can reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and accelerate healing. Your beliefs influence your hormones, stress levels, and even your cellular function. Start your day with 5 minutes of focused visualization. Imagine your body healthy, strong, and full of energy. Picture your organs functioning perfectly and your energy levels increasing. Pair that with gratitude for the parts of your body that already work well. This simple practice can activate powerful biological changes over time. If you're struggling with chronic health issues or fatigue, this technique, alongside healthy actions, can create transformation from the inside out. Love is another area where the law of attraction applies in powerful ways. Whether you're trying to attract a romantic partner, deepen an existing relationship, or simply build more meaningful connections, your energy plays a critical role. If you constantly feel unworthy, insecure, or anxious in relationships, you're likely to attract partners who reflect those feelings. But when you cultivate self-love, confidence, and emotional balance, you naturally attract people who resonate with those qualities. Write down exactly what you want in a partner, then work on becoming the kind of person who matches that description. The law of attraction doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are. To make this practical, here's a simple but powerful 3-step daily routine that thousands are using in 2025 to activate the law of attraction. Step 1. Morning routine. Start your day with gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. Say 3 affirmations out loud, focused on wealth, health, or love. Then, spend 5 minutes visualizing your ideal day or outcome. Step 2. Midday action. Take one aligned action toward your goal. This could be sending an email, researching a new skill, or exercising. Even the smallest action, when taken consistently, builds momentum and attracts new results. Step 3. Night reflection. Before bed, ask yourself, what did I attract today? What thoughts or patterns do I need to release? Then fall asleep while visualizing the life you want to live, feeling as if it's already yours. Repeat this for 21 days and watch how your reality begins to shift, faster than you ever expected. Here's the truth. You are already attracting something, whether by design or by default. The good news is, you can choose. You can choose to attract wealth, vibrant health, and deep, fulfilling love by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you want. This isn't a theory. It's a process, one that anyone, anywhere in the world, can learn and apply. If this video helped you understand the real power behind the law of attraction, then now is your moment to act. Subscribe to this channel right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first thing you want to attract this month? And don't keep this information to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. Because the life you want is not far away. It's just waiting for you to decide.